Madam Speaker, Islamophobia is a heavy word in today's discourse, but it is heaviest for those who are on the receiving end of it. As a Muslim woman of color, in a time of overwhelming stigma, I fear being othered, profiled, and killed in a country I call my own. My identity is challenged, and my actions are heavily scrutinized. I am simultaneously silenced into shame while being expected to apologize for the actions of a small group of people that do not represent me or any... We are all shaken from acts of terrorism, but they affect our communities most because they divide us from within as well as from other Canadians. Whether we have been contributing for generations or whether we're new immigrants seeking refuge or opportunities, we are Canadians. We all have... We all have a responsibility to challenge a growing culture of ignorance rather than justifying xenophobia and prejudice under the veil of free speech. My heritage... My heritage is not a political platform to campaign on unless cherished... unless cherished as complex and as rich as its people. This is my Canada, and there is no seat for hate here.